Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today we are doing a sit down haul. I haven't done one of these in a long time, but it always feels like such a nice catch up with you guys when I'm able to do this. A lot of the time I'm kind of running about filming, so it's really nice to sit down, get a cup of tea, sit down, have a cup of tea. Today's video is going to be a Cherryz haul. I've done a few of these before. I love shopping on Cherryz. It's a little bit addictive. But if you haven't heard of Cherryz, it's basically a really affordable home goods website app. You can get everything from sweets to cleaning products to baskets for your home. Lots and lots and lots is on there. So I did a little shop. This video is in collaboration with Cherryz, which I'm really happy about because I do love me a Cherryz. They very kindly gifted you guys a very good discount as well, and the discount code is SOF25 if you want to get 25% off your first web or app shop. So that's really good. 25% off is kind of a lot of money, especially when the stuff is quite affordable anyway. And then if you've used that code and you still want another little discount and you're an existing customer, if you use SOF free, you get free shipping on your next order. So they've given that to you. That's just a gift to you. If you want to do a little Cherryz shop, I'm going to show you everything I got today. I feel like I really honed in on the good stuff today. I've got stuff from their weekly deals, from their home section, from the food section, obviously obsessed. But yeah, I'm really excited to get through it. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing really well. I hope you're enjoying my videos lately. I've found that since Oren has got older, I can I've got a tiny bit more leeway to film and edit. So you're all doing really well and you're enjoying spring so far. I'm absolutely loving it. It's been a heat wave in England at the moment. Well, like a heat wave-ish, like hot, warm for this time of year. So it's been really nice to be outside constantly. Yeah, subscribe if you're not already, give the video a thumbs up, and let's just get through all this stuff. I've got 2 huge boxes today, so we need to get through all this stuff. I hear a bit of white noise. I hope, maybe you can hear that. I'm going to turn it down and I'll put the camera there so I can see it and I don't need to rely on my ears because we got the white noise blaring. Is there any other mums out there or dads who now cannot sleep without white noise? Like, I love white noise now. I don't know, there's probably going to be no rhyme or reason to the order that I do things in. Let's start here. So first things first, box of Bourneville fingers. For Lent, I gave up chocolate. I don't know why. I kind of regret doing that because chocolate brings me a lot of joy and it's not like I overindulge. So remind me never to give chocolate up again. So I went kind of crazy on the chocolate in today's order, but whatever. So I got 2 boxes of dark chocolate Cadbury's fingers. They're absolutely delicious. An Astonish non-bio. I think I got 2 of these, I think. Astonish non-bio 2-in-1 liquid. This stuff's fantastic. I love the brand Astonish because it's vegan, cruelty free, and they try and use more natural products. They're not perfect, but that smells incredible. This flavour is scent. People always have a go at me for saying flavour. Scent is very nice. Lavender, and is it ylang lang or yang yang? I think it's lang lang. But it's delicious. I've got 2 big bags of birdseed. I find Cherryz birdseed is great. It's always really affordable. You get quite a lot for your money. I got a Cadbury's Dairy Milk pack of 5 mini buttons, just because these are really delicious to sit and munch in the evenings. But also I've got Oren's, I can't believe I'm saying this, but in a couple of months we're having Oren's first birthday party. First, as in he'll be 1 in 2 months. I'm not okay with that. I'm not okay with that whatsoever. But I've bought lots of little packs of chocolate because there'll be lots of children there, so I'm going to make little children's bags, gift bags. These aren't for me, they're for my niece. Unicorn Fruit Loops, couldn't resist. They look ridiculous, but when you're a child, isn't this stuff fun to have? Not all the time, but just it's fun. So Unicorn Fruit Loops. But what I found interesting is these are natural flavours. So beetroot, carrot, apple, radish, blackcurrant, cherry. So I know it's going to be nice, and there's a lot of sugar in the cereal, is the second main ingredient. However, at least, there's some kind of fruit or veg in there. But I thought she'd really love these. She'll just get a little kick out of those, and why not? Okay, I got these. I'm so excited about these. Biscoff cream-filled biscuits. I've not tried these yet, and they're always sold out on Cherryz, but finally I managed to get them in my basket and order them before they went out of stock. I'm obsessed with Biscoff. To be honest, the biscuit spread from Aldi is the only one I get because it's absolutely delicious. But Aldi don't sell these yet, so I bought these. I'm very excited to have these. Actually, I'm going to have a couple after I film this video. I love Biscoff. Right, what else did we get? God, we got so much chocolate. 12s. 12s are Lawrence's favourite chocolate bars, so I got quite a few of these. I got 4 packs, I believe, of the single 12 bars. Yep, these will be just in our like treat drawer. We've got a treat drawer in the living room. We normally have a bit of chocolate every now and then. Oh, I know, I got 5 packs of the 12s. I got lots of these Cadbury Dairy Milk little bars. I absolutely love these. They're really thin, but they're just like the perfect amount of chocolate with a cup of tea. But the reason I got these, I got mugged off. That's what happened. That is so annoying. They must have stopped the scheme. But the reason I got so many of them was because the picture on the website had the picture of these but with the free Legoland tickets, and I really want to go to Legoland with like lots of children in my family and just go to Legoland, and they've obviously discontinued that offer, so I've got a lot of these without the Legoland free tickets. So but that's something to look out for because I know they're still offering it every now and then, so look out for that. But anyway, lots of these bars will go into the children's party packs that I'm making when we have Oren's first birthday. I get sick every time I have to say it. Chocky fingers, normal ones. Obviously I've got the dark chocolate ones because Lawrence and I eat these. These I'm going to be baking a cake with. I'm probably going to be filming it when I bake that cake. It's a very special cake. So yeah, that's for baking purposes. Pack of Freddos. A Freddo bar was the first bit of chocolate I had after Lent, and now I'm obsessed with Freddos just because they were so good. And Cadbury Dairy Milk nibble buttons. These are unreal. If you like Cadbury caramel, get these. They're so good. Pack of 6 Club Orange. Can you tell I was making this order when I was hungry? These are a vibe. I recommend them. Pack of Crunchy Bars. Recommend. Twixes. I just love a Twix after swimming. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but I go swimming every week, and it's a Twix bar. It's the only thing that can like fix that sugar drop that I get. I got a Finish dishwasher cleaner. I never normally get these things, but we're struggling with our dishwasher leaving residue. If anyone has any tips, but I'm putting it down to the dishwasher needs like a proper deep clean. I do try and clean it. We use like hot water, bicarb soda and loads of lemon, and then we just put it on a hot cycle. But I don't know, it's not working. So I'm gonna try this. I don't normally like to buy this stuff, but we're gonna try it. Astonish dishwasher tablets, pack of 100 for something like £5. Absolute barg. Really recommend those. And the last thing in this box, before we move on to the bigger box, are some Dreamies for the cats. Okay, I wanna show you this, so cute. Look, a fairy garden. So if you watch any of like my charity shop hauls, things like that, I always love to get random little knickknacks, and I put them in between like the bee gardens in my garden. It's like putting like knickknacks from charity shops in there to make it look like there's like little fairies living in there, or just like mythical creatures in there. So I found this, the Fairies Enchanted Garden, and it's got a little fairy archway, a fairy little pathway, a little fairy like bird box type thing, a sign. It just looks really cute, and I think it will look really cute in between all the lovely bee and butterfly flowers. I don't know, I just really love stuff like that. I thought it was really cute. So it's a fairy 4-piece garden path set. I got one of these. I saw these in Aldi actually, but then I saw them on Cherryz, and they were a good bit cheaper on Cherryz, particularly if you used my discount code, but they were already cheaper even without a discount code on Cherryz. But they're those fold away or like flattened steps. Look how handy that is. So I thought it's just great to have while I've seen it on such an affordable bargain price. I know Oren isn't walking alone yet, and he's too young to like stand on something like this, but he's certainly not far off walking. We're not far off the moments where he's going to have to or going to need to stand on steps like this when he's brushing his teeth, or if he wants to help us in the kitchen with something. They had this in a pink colour. I'm not really someone who's like blue for boys, pink for girls, but I'm not keen on the colour pink that they had personally. But yeah, I thought that was really good, really handy. So I got more chocolate, Reese's peanut butter rounds. I'm going to need one of those today because they look delish. Colgate Max White toothpaste. I always get it from places like Cherryz because it's always really cheap. Pop-Tarts for Lawrence. He loves a Pop-Tart, and he was very excited for me to film this video because he now can eat his Pop-Tarts. Madras spice paste. This stuff is great to throw into like really quick chicken curries throughout the week. Vegetable curries, you don't have to use the whole jar at once, it's just really nice. John West tuna trunks in spring water. This was a lot cheaper than what I've been finding in store. I don't buy tuna very often. I probably buy like 1 pack of 4 once a month, and then we might, Orino and I are the only ones who eat it, we might have it once a week. This was like £3 something, so it was really affordable, which was great. I bought 3 of these spray bottles because we've got a lot of houseplants in our house, so I need to be spraying their leaves. My mother-in-law has a similar plant to what I have in my house, and her plant is doing really, really well. And mine, it's doing well, but it's not as like voluptuous as hers, and she sprays it like most days. So that's where I got the idea from. I'm going to start spraying that plant to give it more life. Great, I thought these were really nice. And then Lawrence is going to, because I bought 3, one for downstairs, one for upstairs, and then Lawrence is going to make his own salt spray for his hair because it's super easy, and why buy salt spray when you can make it yourself? This is a bit of a shame. I bought some more cat treats, but it turned up exploded, so that's a bit of a shame, but that is the only casualty in today's order, which is great. That's for the other bottle. I don't know about you, but I always see daisies, but I have never seen seeds to buy daisies, ever. I go to garden centres often, and I just never see the seeds. And my lawn has no daisies on it, and I really love daisies within your grass. So I found, where are they? Daisy seeds, how exciting is that? So I bought loads of daisy seeds because I want a daisy-filled lawn this year. Forget-me-nots, I found lots of forget-me-not seeds. They are such gorgeous little flowers, more daisies, and sweet pea mix. If you love easy to grow, beautiful flowers that smell so fragrant, get sweet pea seeds, or get sweet peas from your garden centre already like kind of grown, and then you can plant them in the ground. They make the most beautiful flowers, and they're quite hardy, which is great. They love a bit of sun, they love a bit of shade, but they smell stunning. So yeah, sweet peas are a great one if you love like really fragrant flowers. I love like strong fragrance, like honeysuckle, what's it called, jasmine. Jasmine is another great one. It's a climber as well, so, and it's fairly low maintenance. So yeah, anyway, that was my little garden chat. Just call me Sophie Titchmarsh. For £3, I thought this was really good. Found a water bottle. This is not for me because I've got enough water bottles, but my niece enjoys drinking out of my water bottle with a straw, so I bought her one of these. It was only £3, so got one of those. 2 of these storage boxes. They're actually smaller than I thought, but that's my fault for not measuring it. But they'll go under the bed, and I'm going to be vacuum packing Oren's old baby clothes and putting them in there for any future babies. As you can see, I'm really like having trouble with the fact that time just goes without you giving it permission to go. Anyway, so I'm going to be putting his clothes under the bed. I've got a bag of crunchy nut granola. Definitely not the healthiest choice, but I like it. Because with the discount code on Cherryz, it's more affordable than supermarkets. And then I've got one of these. So this is, we often keep our bottles for like flowers, putting flowers in and things like that. And these are great as well. So it's like a cork stopper, but it's got string lights. So I thought I'd put that in one of the bottles that we keep. It just looks nice in the evening, especially in the summer when you just have little fairy lights sprinkled everywhere. Some baking parchment paper, needed some indoor strip lights. So these look relatively easy. You just stick them underneath something and How do you turn them on? That is what I want to know. I'm gonna have to get Lawrence. Oh, okay, they're battery powered LED string lights. So I don't know, I think for somewhere, to make somewhere like a little bit of a cozy corner, maybe in the kitchen, could turn them on at night and that would be the only light on, or it needs to be in a place high up. Now I realised before I had a baby, when people would say, oh, it's, you know, I have to toddler proof the house now and things like that, I used to think, oh, it can't be a big deal, just like pick up things off the floor, you know, don't leave marbles hanging around or live wires on the floor and stuff like that. No. Toddler proofing your house means moving everything you own up higher. Like, I'm not joking, it is insane. Everything I own is just getting higher and higher and out of reach. It's crazy. All my doors now need to be locked somehow, which is a nightmare because I can't just open a cupboard door anymore. I need to get the lock, unlock it. It's just crazy. So yeah, this is definitely a hazard for grabby hands. So I'm going to put this somewhere where he can't reach, but still looks really nice. An extendable fridge drawer. So essentially it gives you a bit more space in the fridge because it's like a little shelf on top of your shelf. So you just slot it in your fridge. As you know, I'm doing I'm living much more frugal and much more economical with our food, and I'm trying to keep everything fresh and safe, organised more in my fridge freezer. I've linked like all those videos down below. So I thought this is a really good one to like put some maybe lemons or things in the fridge to keep on their own, or cut veg, open veg that we need to eat, put them in the drawer in this little shelf in the fridge. What a great idea. I'm gonna have to get a few more of these because I only bought one because I wanted to kind of test it out first, and I like it. I really do like it. Ow, why do paper cuts hurt the most? I got some white vinegar spray. I've never used it. I thought I would try that out on certain things, like what are your top white vinegar spray uses for, because I'd love to know. And I also got a cat toy, catnip toy, because I can't resist getting cats catnip things. And it's a koi carp or some kind of fish. Hopefully they like it. They don't really like the conventional cat toys. The only conventional cat toy they like is the one where you have to hold the string, to hold the little stick, and it's got a string and something on the end, and they love chasing that. But when they have to like play on their own, they won't play with stuff. So hopefully they like this because they do love catnip. But yeah, as you can see, I got a huge range of things. I really like the stuff I got. I've definitely got a lot of putting away to do now. I'm most excited actually about the seeds. I really like that. I also really love the packaging. It's very vintage vibes. I've left my code so you can get a really big discount on Cherryz all down below. Everything's linked down below for you. I really hope you are enjoying your week so far. Enjoy shopping. Can't beat a bit of online shopping, can you? Yeah, I hope you're all doing really, really well, and I'll see you again soon for a new video. Very, very soon, no doubt. Bye.